Okay, so in this lecture we are going to discuss about if else if statement, and that is called as an also if else ladder statement. Okay, so why this is necessary? Because this if else if statement is going to check the multiple conditions at the same time. It is going to check the multiple conditions at the same time. That means which will reduce the time of execution, or which will reduce the processor's time. Okay, so that's why it is very much necessary. So what is the syntax of this if else statement is that if expression, also called as a condition, if this condition is true, the statement 1 will executed. Okay, so if this condition gets false, if comes to the next statement, that is else if statement. Okay, now else if statement, which will again execute or checks a second condition, expression 2, that means the second condition. If this condition gets true, the statement 2 will be executed. If not, that means if this condition gets false, and if we wrote the else if statement again, so it will again check the expression 3's condition, and we can make multiple else if and the conditional statements, and at last all these conditions are get false. Okay, so we need to have a default statement. That's why at last there is only a statement called as an else, which has an default statements to executed. Okay, so let's check with the program that what is the greatest number among 3. So if there are 3 numbers are there which is entered by user, and we need to check which one is in greatest. Okay, so hash include stdio.h starting main, then the main, and now a b c with the variables of integers. Okay, so enter the 3 values, %d, %d with the ampersand a, ampersand b, ampersand c. Okay, so 3 variables are there, and 3 variables are going to store the values of a, b, c. Now what we did, we checked the condition if a greater than equals to b and a greater than equals to c. As you have seen the lecture of as I am assuming that you have seen the lecture of operators, you have seen the conditional operator there, and that is an ampersand operator, where we need to have expressions on the both hand side. Okay, and if both the sides gets true, then and then only the condition of and gets true. And as you know, the if has an expression in between. If that value gets true, it is going to execute the near statements, or it is going to execute the block next to if. Okay, and if there is any one condition which gets false, it is going to come out of the loop and is going to check the next condition with the else if bracket. Okay, so here what we do, we are going to consider the value of a, b and c with 10, 15 and 20. Okay, fine, 10, 15 and 20. Now here enter the abc, we have entered the value 10, 15 and 20. Now here it gets checked a greater than equals to b, that is 10 greater than equals to 15 and 10 greater than equals to 20. 10 greater than equals to 15 false, 10 greater than equals to 20 false. Both conditions are false, that means the value is false, and now it will check if false, if false. Okay, so that's why it is going to move to the next one and going to check else if. Okay, so b greater than equals to a, so what is the value of b? It is 15, 15 greater than equals to 10 and 15 greater than equals to 20, which is the value of c. Okay, so 15 greater than equals to true and 15 greater than equals to 20 false. If any one condition is false, the whole condition get false. So else if condition is false here, so the control moves to the next one. Okay, so here what we'll do, 20 greater than equals to 10 and 20 greater than equals to 15. So 20 greater than equals to 10, condition is true, and 20 greater than equals to 15, condition is again true. So true and true becomes true. That means else if conditions, the whole condition gets true. That's why only this block gets executed, and which will print the output like this, greatest is 20. the test becomes 20. This will print the output this, and if all these conditions get false, at last the else statement will get executed, and which will print the all are equal. But here the condition is satisfied of this third else if statement, which will be printing the output of 20 here. I hope you understood well. Thank you.